How to find someone on Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily find someone or add them on Discord. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let's get right into the video. The first thing you're going to have to do is click on this friends option, and if you want to add new friends, you can just click on this add a server and then click on friends. So you can click on this add friends option at the top to search for their Discord username or their handle. So let me just search for some name right here and click on send friend request. So once you have done that, you need to complete a quick CAPTCHA here. Just wait for it to load completely and complete the CAPTCHA. Now click on next. And once you have done that, you should be good to go. So once you have verified it, you just have to make sure that the person that you're sending requests to you is accepting friend requests. So in order to check that, head over to user settings. Now click on advanced. And from here, you are going to have to turn on the developers mode. And once that is done, go back to your profile. You can visit any server you want. So let's just go ahead and search here and choose any user from this channel. So let me just click right here. And if you right click on their profile, you'll have an option to copy user ID. Once you have copied the user ID, you can head back to your profile and then click on add friends and paste the user ID right here. Click on send friend request, complete the CAPTCHA again, and you should be able to send them a friend request. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.